Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Libre Potato Alta from Libre Computer, and although it's not the fastest SBC, they do say that it is the most open sourced SBC, and they even claim that you can have UEFI support. So in theory, that could mean that you can boot a lot of different Linux distros. But first, we'll start with the unboxing. Okay. So, it's really not that much in the box. It's just the SBC itself. So it has the Amlogic A311D. So they say it has a similar form factor as the Raspberry Pi 3. So there's Ethernet, 4 times USB 3, GPIO, and it has USB-C for power, full-size HDMI. I think this is the audio jack, and there's some button there. Look like some switches here and there, and I think one of these is the camera connector and the other is probably a display connector. Yeah, this says DSI, so then probably this is the camera connector. And I think this is infrared. So we have micro SD, and I think this is for eMMC, and I think that's it. The Amlogic chip is underneath that heatsink. Looks like it's together with a memory chip. And as I said, it has a similar form factor as a Raspberry Pi 3. So I have a case for a Raspberry Pi 3. And so I think the difference is that the Raspberry Pi 3 has micro USB connector. So I used a nail file just to make it a little bit larger, and I hope that is enough. And yeah, perhaps that is not enough. Yeah, it looks like that is not enough, that I need just a bit more for the USB-C connector, so I'll try to work on that with a nail file and then hopefully come back. Well, I made it slightly larger, and perhaps I still need to file a bit more off. I had to apply a bit of pressure to get it in. I mean, like, I was able to get it in from one side, and then from the other side you sort of have to really push it in, because there's, hope you can see it, there's two clips and also two clips on the other side. So yeah, hopefully this is good enough, because getting it out, yeah, it's perhaps going to be a challenge, perhaps with those holes that you can apply some pressure somewhere and then try to get it out. But for now, yeah, there are some so I think this is for the rubber feet on the bottom, so these four corners, and there's also screws to put in here, 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 and here. But because it's, yeah, first I'll just try to use it like this. Hopefully. Okay, so that snaps into place. Looks like I need to file off also a bit from this side, because it doesn't look like I can fully access the USB-C port, but all the other ports, that's micro SD. So the only thing is that the infrared port is blocked here, but I didn't have any plans for that. So yeah, I need to do some more filing, and then hopefully I can put in a micro SD card and boot the Le Potato Alta. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.